Today, GFL announced they're moving their headquarters from Ontario to Miami Beach, Florida. Lots of people may be asking why, and it's really about accessing $10 trillion. GFL Environment is Canada's fourth largest environmental services company. It employs 15,000 people and already generates 2/3 of its income in the United States. So when you think about operational perspectives, it makes sense to move your headquarters down there. But like I said, the real reason is accessing $10 trillion. In the US, passive index funds control about 55% of equity investments. That's, like I said, about $10 trillion worth of money flowing into S&P 500 stocks automatically. So when you have a company like GFL moving to Florida, positioning itself for S&P 500 eligibility, they're trying to access a whole new wave of capital. Whereas if you compare it to Canadian investments, only 19.5% are passive. The TSX is also dominated by financials and oil companies, not where growth capital flows. This really isn't just about GFL. This is a capital issue overall. Canada's economy is growing at 1.4% versus America's 2.7%. If you look at tax rates, they're close, nearly identical. And you look at capital flow overall, it's moving Canada a lot. It's leaving Canada a lot quicker than it's coming in. In the past decade, we've seen a lot of Canadian companies head south. Obviously, we can talk about Brookfield. Before Mark Carney left to become Prime Minister of Canada, he made the decision to move Brookfield headquarters to New York. A number of other companies have either considered or relocated as well. Canada's venture capital market is down 30% this year. In 1986, the TSX hosted 84 IPOs. Last year, we had just one. Meanwhile, 7 U.S. tech companies invested $437 billion in artificial intelligence in 2025, 61% more than the year before. Canada's tech sector, well, it's 8% of the TSX. The U.S., it's 32% of the S&P 500. This move to me signals something much deeper. I think Canada's investment markets and capital markets are becoming just disadvantaged in a world where passive investment is dominating. Until Canada fixes its productivity gap, regulatory burdens, and capital market competitiveness, Canadian companies are going to follow GFL south.